Today we're going to look at an infinity drinking pool. We already have a drinking pool in place. It's a concrete basin and it looks quite nice, but I'd like to turn it into an infinity pool with a nice deep reflection. And the first thing to do is to put a wooden tray on top, which I have here. Because the stand is already level, makes life a lot easier. Notice I've got these sides on. These are to try and reduce the amount of time the birds spend drinking on the edge. Even a blue tit can reach the water from this height, but it's uncomfortable for them. So I'm more inclined to go to this end where I'm going to photograph them. And then I have a piece of black glass, and it doesn't really have to be black. You could buy just ordinary glass, perhaps just put either paint it or put black paper on the back of it. It's quite expensive to buy black glass, but that just happens to fit into here. All the way around I've put a very small strip of wood which I've sealed in with sealant, so that's a waterproof tray now, but it's only about 2 mil deep. You have to put a little bit of mud along the back edge. Now, I'm not a great fan of moss. It doesn't look appropriate around the edge of a pool apart from anything else, but moss is the thing that everybody uses first, so I prefer to use other stuff, but at the moment I haven't got anything, so I'm just trying to green it up just a touch, and then I'll come back later with some different sort of vegetation. But this will just keep us going for now. Now, the nice thing about it being such a shallow pool is it doesn't take a lot of water. I can carry enough water in this one small container, and having a water supply at a drinking pool is one of your biggest problems. Water is heavy to carry. But this is only a couple of mil deep. And that's it, that's our drinking pool. You sometimes have to make minor adjustments just by pushing some pieces of wood under here to make certain it's level, but it's ready for the birds. Now, birds aren't just going to come in and drink in this. I'm also going to put food down. I'm going to put a couple of peanut feeders, one this side and one this side, to encourage the birds to come into the area, and then hope they drop down here and feed on the end. And I shall also green this up a little bit more when I actually take the photographs.